what you wanna do. Girl, it's plain to see we were meant to be. Shorty, girl, you are my destiny, my destiny. Girl, the way you're looking at me, it made me wanna pull you over here, give you some good love. So come and give me that good love. Your smile, your breath, your skin got me hypnotized. It made me realize where I wanna be. And every time I wake up, I dream I see your pretty face right beside me, right beside me. Baby, I just gotta let you know that you're the only thing I'm living for, and I promise I will never let you go. And you're where I wanna be, 'cause I just wanna be with you. Girl, what you wanna do? Girl, it's plain to see we were meant to be. Shorty, girl, you are my destiny, my destiny.
Yeah, okay.
You know how to rap, right?
I feel me, you know.
I got it.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, I'm a freestyle.
Baby, I wanna take you anywhere that you wanna go. We can take trips, not just around the world. I'm talking outer space, real outer space. We can hover in my UFO. Yeah, you know, you can do whatever you want, 'cause I'ma do whatever I need to do to get your attention. And I forgot to mention, you're the baddest girl I ever had. When I look at you, girl, you know I'm looking at a star. When I look around, girl, you know I'm looking at the stars. We can go far, girl, you have my heart. We'll be together, we'll never be
I just wanna
apart.
be with you. Girl, what you wanna do? Girl, it's plain to see we were meant to be. Shorty, girl, you are my destiny. I just wanna be with you. Girl, what you wanna do? Girl, it's plain to see we were meant to be. Shorty, girl, you are my destiny.